to fix Uber Eats promo code error. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save money while ordering food from Uber Eats. First of all, go to Google Play Store and search for the Uber Eats app. Click on the app, make sure that the app is up to date. Open the settings app. Now go into the app section, scroll down and find the Uber Eats app. Click on the storage option. Now click on Clearcast. Close the settings app, go back to the Google Play Store, click on the app. Now uninstall it. Then install it once again automatically.